Ultimate AI engineering, how China humanoid robots are moving scary fast from demos to real jobs.
Robots just took the stage on America's Got Talent, not as a tech demo, but as backup dancers. In June 2026, dancer Yufei Wu performed with 8 humanoid robots, showing that robots are no longer staying in labs or trade shows. They are entering mainstream entertainment. Robots can already do incredible things. Backflips, cartwheels, flying kicks, running across uneven ground, lifting boxes, dancing on stage, and even working beside humans. But the real story is no longer just about viral demos. The real story is deployment. In Germany, a hardware store tested a humanoid robot as a shop assistant, with an estimated operating cost of only around $1.85 per hour. It could guide customers and help them find products, but it still needed human supervision. So this is not a full replacement for workers yet, but it shows why businesses are paying attention. RoboCops hit the streets. In China, robot police are already moving from science fiction into real street patrols. During the 2026 Labor Day holiday, Hangzhou deployed robot patrol units to help manage traffic in public areas. They are not replacing human officers yet, but they can assist with crowd monitoring, pedestrian guidance, traffic control, and long-hour patrols. That is why the humanoid robot race is shifting from demos to production. According to TrendForce, in 2026, China's humanoid robot output is expected to rise 94%, with Unitree and Agibot together taking nearly 80% of the market. In Shenzhen, Engine AI says its T800 production line can produce 1 humanoid robot every 15 minutes. Unitree is also scaling quickly, filing for a Shanghai Star Market IPO to raise 4.2 billion yuan after reportedly shipping 5,500 humanoid robots in 2025 and growing revenue 335% year over year. Human versus robot, the labor cost test. In Silicon Valley, Figure AI staged a 10-hour human versus robot package sorting challenge. The human still won, sorting 12,924 packages compared with the robot's 12,732, a gap of only 192 packages. But speed is only half the story. In California, the 2026 minimum wage is $16.90 per hour, before benefits, payroll costs, breaks, and overtime. If robots can work close to human speed and recharge themselves for long shifts, the labor cost calculation starts to change.
Today, we're announcing the Nvidia Isaac Brute, a reference humanoid robot, all fully integrated. 25 degrees of freedom on each hand, made by Sharpa. 31 degrees of freedom on the robot, 6 feet, 150 pounds, just like me.
In June 2026, Nvidia reportedly introduced a humanoid robotics reference platform that uses Chinese humanoid robot hardware, together with Nvidia's robotics software and computing stack. That matters because it shows China's robot hardware is no longer just serving the domestic market. It is starting to connect with the global AI robotics ecosystem. So the pattern is clear. The humanoid robot race is no longer about the coolest demo. It is about scale, deployment, and labor cost. Robots are not replacing humans overnight, but they are moving from stages into real workplaces. And right now, China's moving fast.